Hey, this is Guy with Pinnacle Restorations, and we just want to go over with you what it takes to be a successful technician cleaning tile and grout. We want you to be the guy on the job, and we want you to get upsells, tips, reviews. So what does it take to be a magical tile and grout cleaning? Because when you do a good job, they think you're a magician. So what does it take to do that? It takes uniformity, cleaning grout lines to where they're uniformly clean. What does that start with? It starts with the chemicals. What we're talking about today is alkaline and acid for chemicals for tile and grout cleaning. At the Georgia location, we use an alkaline product called Tile Whiz. In Gainesville, we use an alkaline product called No Doubt Grout or High Test. What that looks like is pre-treating the tile and grout uniformly with your alkaline cleaner. Why do we like to use alkaline cleaner? We like to use alkaline cleaner because it doesn't etch natural stone or marble. It also doesn't stain stainless steel appliances, but so it makes it safety and foolproof to where you can do a great job cleaning, but you don't have those nasty side effects. So what do you need to know? You need to know that chemical needs to dwell up to 15 minutes or longer. It needs to be agitated with a brush or a buffer, and then it needs to be steam cleaned at 1000 to 1500 psi. Acid, on the other hand, can be used as well. We use a product called No Doubt Grout Red, Low Test, or a tile and grout acid product here in the Georgia location. You've got to be very, very careful when you're using an acid product. If it gets on natural stone, if you think you're cleaning ceramic tile, but it's really a natural stone or marble, it will etch it and ruin it and cost the company a lot of money. So we want to avoid that, and we want to put you in a position to be successful.